Welcome to my channel, Marvel Fashion Trends. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Together we create endless memories. You make my world brighter. Love doesn't count the years, only the moments. You complete me in every way. Love is timeless, just like us. Every moment with you is my favorite. Your love is my greatest adventure. Holding your hand feels like home. You are my sweetest addiction. Your love is my greatest gift. With you, love is effortless. Love isn't found, it's created. Your love is my happy place. Hearts speak louder than words. A simple I love you means everything. My heart beats only for you. Our love is written in the stars. No distance can break true love. Love shines brightest in the dark. With you, every day is magic. You are the dream I never want to wake from. You are the missing piece to my soul. Love is the bridge between hearts. The best love is effortless. Your love colors my world. Forever starts with you and me. Your love is the rhythm of my heart. In your arms, I've found home. Love is the only language the heart speaks. Your love is my heart's greatest treasure. In your smile, I find my happiness. Every day with you is a beautiful journey. Love is not perfect, but it's real. Every love story is beautiful, but ours is my favorite. You are my today and all my tomorrows. One lifetime isn't enough for us. Loving you is my greatest blessing. True love never fades, it only grows. The best love is the one that feels free.